Alright, this video we are going to go over question number 11 from the review assignment for chapter 7 here. Key here is the word continuously, which tells us the formula we're going to use is the one that uses PERT. Okay, and then, sorry if I can't get this to show up here quick. Yeah, it says 20 years. Sorry if you can't see that there. I'm not sure what you see on your screen, but alright, anyway, so we want to know the amount after 20 years compounded continuously. So P is the initial amount, which is 1900. Remember, E is just that decimal, about 2.7. The rate, that's probably the trickiest part. If you freak out, just do, 7.8 divided by 100. Percent means out of 100, so that'd be a way to get the right decimal. Or you can just move it over twice, but add a 0. Okay, so I get a little worried there because kids oftentimes on the test get the decimal wrong. Like they put one extra 0 or miss a 0 or something. But anyways, safest way is just divide it by 100. Okay, and then this one we know the time is 20. So we're going to put in 20 for the years and then just crunch away on the calculator. Alright, so what it would look like, 1900. And then the e to the x key goes second in this key right here. If you have a different calculator, just find the one that says e to the x. I always use parentheses because I'm a little bit paranoid. 0.78, I believe, was the right. Yeah, 0.78 times 20 years. And then enter. And then to the nearest dollar, that would be $9,042. This is above 50 cents, so rounded up. All right, so we get $9,042. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.